So before we actually get to drawing to scale with imperial, I'm going to show you how to use your ruler so that you can actually draw your items once you finish converting it. So this is going to represent an inch. So if you look at your rulers, you get your 1 inch, you've got 0 and 1. So this whole thing represents 1 inch. So a little bit about that on your actual ruler. And you'll see little lines, so I'm going to show you how the lines are divided up. So now we take our inch, and we're going to divide it in half. So now we've got 2 parts. So ½ an inch. So this is one of the units that you'll be using with your scale. So now this is ½ an inch. Right? So half plus half will give us our 1. So the next unit, we're going to split our ½ an inch in half. There's half, there's half. So now we still have our inch, but now it's divided into 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that, this is 1/4. So 1/4 plus 1/4 gives us your half. So now we have this area here. That equals 1/4. So now we're going to divide it one more time. So we now divide our 1/4. So each one of our quarters gets divided. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So now we have 8 sections. Remember, each one of these equals 1/8. So we're going to break down one more time. That's 1/8. So 2, so 1/8 plus 1/8 gives you 1/4. 1/4 plus 1/4 gives you a half. And then 1/2 plus 1/2 gives you 1. So now we've got our next one. Now you see a pattern. We've gone 2 to 4, so times 2 times 2 again gives us our 8. So now we should know our next one will actually be 16, because we're going to divide our 8s also into half. So now, of course, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So 16 parts. And now each one of these, so we'll go over here actually, represents 1/16. 1/16. And now we've got our final one. So we're going to break down each of our 1/16 also into half. So now in this case, each of these areas is going to equal 1/32. So we break that down, and 1/32. So each one of these little ones equals 1/32. So now this breaks down your inch as it shows up on your ruler. The most commons we'll be using though will be ½ 1/4, an 1/8, and a 1/16. So that's how you're going to use your ruler when we start drawing to scale.